Okay, welcome back everyone. I got the lights set up. I think it's looking a lot better. Today I'm making some fried steak, which I haven't really done before, but I think it might turn out well. Okay, so first I am squeezing half an orange. Okay, next thing we're doing is we're adding salt and pepper. Ooh, okay. Here is 2 garlic cloves, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and that's it. Well, now I will evenly distribute it. So the next thing I'm actually supposed to do is toss it in breadcrumbs, but I don't think it's so easy to find breadcrumbs. Sorry if I'm wrong. So anyways, I'm using panko flakes instead, and I think it should be fine. Now all we need to do is fry them. It smells so good. Tonight I'm drinking some beer that I got for my birthday, and it is very excellent. So unfortunately a lot of the panko flakes came off, but that's my fault because probably didn't cook it right. But still, some of them are there, so here we go. So good. I can like taste the mustard and the garlic. It's very fantastic. I'm glad I made this. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya.